My name is Dev. I've been the serious guitarist for over 3.5 decades. I want to help you improve the guitar. This is Fretboard Friday, episode 6, and it is all about minor 7th chords that are movable on the higher 4 strings of the guitar. Episode 5 was about major 7th chords. Check that out if you haven't yet. So what I did there in the intro was I started out with an F sharp minor chord, and I looped it, or I froze it, I should say, and I played these inversions on top of it. I'm going to put the fingerings up over here, and they look like this. We'll start with a fingering that has the root on the D string. And then I've got this great one that I love and I use all the time. I don't see many people use it, where the root is on the B string. Much more common fingering is this, where the root is on the G string. And of course we can move everything up an octave if we've got frets, and we can actually reach that. Let's try that with another chord. Let's try D minor 7. Very common chord. So root on the B, root on the G. We've got a lot of options here. And root on the D. And I think I even have room, we'll see, my fingers can work this out. Yeah, to go an octave higher on the root on the B. So you got a lot of options with this stuff. It takes a bit to get the translation moving in your brain. Of course, you don't have to use this with arpeggios like that. I'll do an E minor 7 here and show, you know, like, works great with funkier stuff, and you can find a lot of uses for it. I use it passing while in lead playing as well. If you're interested in learning more about movable chords, check out my Guitar Chord Survival Kit PDF. It's free for everyone who is a member of my email list. There's a link in the description. I post a short video like this every Fretboard Friday and a longer video every Tuesday. Hope to see you soon. Cheers.